Hi Manikanta,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from you. Can you introduce yourself, your college, your native?
Okay, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Chanwanda Manikanta from Anantapuram. I have completed my undergraduation in civil engineering from Siddharth Institute of Science and Technology, Puttur. I have completed my undergraduation.
Okay. Like, have you got to know our CMTI?
Via friends, ma'am. My friends was referred this CMTI.
Okay, Manikanta. Like in CMTI, what course you have taken?
In CMTA, I taken IDM plus B, ma'am, Interior Design Management, ma'am.
Like online or hybrid?
Hybrid mode.
Like in interior design management, what are the topics and syllabus you have learned?
In interior design management, they are teach like AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, Beam, cut list sections, like how to calculate wardrobes, kitchens, like that. And one more thing is measurements, ma'am. Calculation measurements, site measurements.
That's nice. Like you were taken hybrid mode, right? Like
Yeah.
how was the classes in the hybrid mode?
Hybrid mode is very good, ma'am. They are informed one day before. After one day, how many classes is there, and they send link like that, ma'am.
That's nice. Like for which role you have selected, Manikanta?
I am selected in Aristo site measurement coordinator, ma'am.
Okay. Like what are the procedures you have faced in the interview? What were the procedures?
In interview, they are taken firstly online interview, ma'am, like face to face. They asked some questions about interior. After that, they are taken in offline mode, offline face-to-face interview. That also they are detained some more tough questions. After that, they are selected some guys and finally taken me.
You have used our CMTI app, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. How was the benefited for the tracking the interview?
Yeah, ma'am. Initially, I don't know how to calculate like a measurements, ma'am. 1 feet equal to how many inches, 1 feet equal to how many mm, 1 feet equal to how many centimeters, like that. I used CMTI of suggestion of CMTI Institute. After that, I know how to calculate measurements, ma'am. In that app, so many videos is there. Relatively, site measurements video is there, ma'am.
Like how was the trainers and the coordinator supported towards you in the hybrid mode?
Okay, ma'am. In hybrid mode, we don't know, and we are not faced each other in offline also, but they are very friendly. And any doubt we have, any queries we have, we just call to Divya ma'am, something, some ma'ams is there. We are call. They teach very goodly, ma'am, and they are clarify our doubts within hours, ma'am. They are very good, friendly.
Okay, that's nice, Manikanta. And what you want to tell to your juniors and friends who gonna join CMTI?
Yeah, ma'am. It is very good opportunity to join in CMTI. They provide very goodly classes and they provide jobs also. Very good opportunity to take CMTI.
Okay, that's good. And congratulations for your placement, Manikanta, and have a bright future.
Thank you.
Thank you.